Welcome to Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. My name is Chris, and today I'm going to be showing you this beautiful 1961 Chevrolet Corvette. Now this car's done in a beautiful red with white cove. All the trim is beautiful, and this car looks like an all-original C1 Corvette, but don't let that fool you. This one's got some nice upgrades like a 383 stroker, 5-speed Tremec transmission, upgraded radiator with electric fans, and a few other nice things that we'll get to in this video. But let's start up front like we always do. Check out that beautiful chrome front bumper there. All your Corvette lettering up front looks really nice. This car went through a full frame off restoration, guys. Nut and bolt, everything on this thing has been touched, and it is fantastic. It is an absolutely beautiful car. We'll take a look at this trim that runs up over the front of the fenders here. It looks awesome. Your hood is in great condition, and to be a fiberglass car, this body is so straight you would think it was metal. But overall, a very, very clean car. Your glass is in great condition. All your chrome here around the window is in awesome condition. The body is nice and straight. You've got your Corvette badging here on the side of the car here. All your chrome here for your vent right there is in excellent condition. Your door looks amazing. Guys, the paint and body on this car, the video probably doesn't even do it any justice. It looks fantastic. The red looks miles deep, just really beautiful car. Always like to open up these doors just to show you that the door does shut good. It's not sagging or doing any kind of weird things here. You've got your gas cap here to put your fuel in. You do have a convertible white top that goes with this car as well. It's put back for this beautiful day here in Georgia. As we look at the rear quarter, nice and clean, all straight, no major chips or scratches, really good finish. You've got that white wall tire out back as well. It looks really nice. You got a chrome antenna here. We've got the rear trunk here and your rear chrome bumper and that famous circle tail lights here on the back of this Corvette. This Corvette is an absolute beautiful car. I want to show you inside the trunk because the trunk is really, really neat. The person that restored this car did an excellent job. They've definitely paid attention to detail. So take a look at the inside of this trunk. It's in really good condition. And if you pull this mat up here, you can definitely see the detail of what they went through to paint it. You can see it's all painted in here nice and clean, just like the exterior of the vehicle. It's in excellent condition. The mat's just there to protect it, so when you're putting your cooler or your chairs in there for the car show, you're not scratching anything up. But overall, very, very nice. With that being said, guys, let's go ahead and work our way back up front so I can show you that small block Chevy. All right, guys, check out this beautiful interior on this C1 Corvette. As you can see, you do have the red bucket seats here done in leather. Really nice, look really good. They basically look brand new. Your door panels are just like they were back in 1961 with just some upgraded hardware. It looks really, really nice. You've got a nice chrome kick plate here down on the bottom. Your carpet is brand new, and I really love that style of carpet with the red and the black weave there. It just looks really nice. As Justin pans over here to the your shifter here, you'll see that it is a 5-speed Tremec. You've got the clock right there in the center console area. You got the AC controls, and you do have that Wonder Bar radio as well. All your gauges operate as they should. You've got your fuel, your temp, your battery, and your oil, as well as the RPM tach here in the middle. And then you have your odometer up top as well. Overall, a very clean interior that looks mostly original, but just all redone and looks really nice. But guys, with that being said, let's get to my favorite part, and let's take this Corvette for a drive. All right, guys, we're out cruising in the 61 Corvette, and man, what a beautiful day to be driving in a beautiful C1 Corvette. This thing drives like a brand new car, tracks straight down the road. This 383 has plenty of power. What a fun and exciting car to drive, guys. All your gauges work properly. The needles aren't bouncing around like sometimes you get in these old cars. Everything is rock solid on this beautiful C1 Corvette, and we get tons of looks in this thing. We've already had 3 or 4 thumbs up in this vehicle. But man, let me tell you, it drives like a brand new one, and it is absolutely fantastic. Guys, if you're interested in this Corvette, do not hesitate. We do not see this one lasting long. This is a great car with a great build. So if you're interested, give us a call at 770-738-7111. You can ask for Chris or Justin. But let's get back to the shop so I can show you how nice the bottom side of this car is. All right, guys, we're back here at the shop. As you can tell, I'm in a different wardrobe here, so we waited till the next day to get this up on the lift because we got busy when we got back to the dealership with some customers. But we're gonna finish this video here. As you can see, the bottom of this car is in excellent condition. This car did go through a frame-off restoration, so everything was taken apart, Body came off the frame, everything was painted, brand new hardware, bolts, everything's brand new. All the suspension is brand new. This thing is really, really nice underneath here. You do have some long tube headers here, as you can see. You've got that T5 transmission, 5-speed manual here underneath the car as well. You can check out the bracing underneath the car. It's all in great condition. All these cars came with this X bracing under here to keep the chassis nice and stiff. Corvette was always ahead of its time, even back in 1961. But as we work our way back here, you'll see your drive shaft back to your rear end back here, and everything is super clean under here. It basically looks like a brand new car. All your brakes, your shocks, your leaf springs, your exhaust, everything is literally new underneath here. You do have a really nice 2.5-inch stainless steel exhaust underneath here. Definitely looks like it is coated. This part here looks coated with like a ceramic coating, and your headers are ceramic coated as well, guys. But overall, a very beautiful car. Guys, if you are interested in this beautiful 61 Corvette, give us a call at 770-738-7111. You can ask for me, Chris, or my partner, Justin, and we can help you with insurance, financing, shipping, anything you need to get this dream car parked in your driveway. But guys, if you're new to the channel and you've made it to the end of the video, we really appreciate you guys supporting the channel and watching our videos. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you on the next one.